Hi everyone. How was my last tutorial about the use of the modal verb können, the activities with which this modal verb can be used to show ability to do those activities, and how to describe the ability to do an activity using können, the activity, and some adjectives which describe the ability to do the activity in the German sentences. So do write your reviews in the comment section. Now in this tutorial, I will not cover any new grammar, but will show you some similar words that we have in English and German languages. So let's have a look. Similar is ähnlich in German, and one person is die Person, plural die Personen. So if you have a look at the singular form of this word, it is written as in English, but pronounced Person. And before a noun like this is coming an adjective, so the ending is going to be E. And why it is like this, I will show you in my later tutorials as you cover adjectives in the German language. So for the time being, you just need to know the adjective ähnlich means similar. And die Person is one person, plural die Personen. So some of the persons that are similar are der Tourist. One male tourist is this. Many tourists, die Touristen, with en ending. Now if it's a female tourist, it would be die Touristin. So there would be in at the end of this word. Then we have der Clown. Singular, die Clowns, plural. Note that this word is not only written as in English but also pronounced in the same way. One male reporter is der Reporter. Many reporters, die Reporter, without an ending. Now, if it's a female reporter, then this word will get an in ending and it becomes die Reporterin. Then we have the athlete. Now, in German, this word is written without an E at the end, and the male athlete is der Athlet. Many athletes, die Athleten. So there's an ending of en. And if it's a female athlete, die Athletin. In will come as the ending at the end of this word. Then we have der Doktor, the male doctor. Many doctors, die Doktoren. So this word gets the ending en. Now note that this word in German has another meaning also when used without any definite or indefinite article. Doctor also refers to the doctorate degree or the PhD degree. So, like in English, where the doctor word refers not only to the profession but also to the degree, the same is the case in the German language. So, you will hear this word in spoken German, but do note that for the profession, we have another word, der Arzt, if it's a male doctor, and if it's many doctors, die Ärzte. And if it's a female doctor, die Ärztin. Then we have the trainer, which is der Trainer, the masculine trainer. And many trainers is die Trainers. So the word gets an S at the end. And if it's a female trainer, then it is die Trainerin. Then we have the fan. And by fan, I don't mean the fan that you use in the summers to cool off the temperature, but the fan here is referring to the fan of a certain person or of a certain sports. For example, as you can see in this picture, the boy is the fan of the Brazilian soccer team. So this fan is in German written as in English but also pronounced fan. So the male fan is der Fan, many fans is die Fans, the female would be die Fan also. So this word, like the word clown, is not only written as in English but also pronounced just like in English. And last of all, we have das Baby, singular die Babies with an S at the end, plural. And this is also not only written as in English but also pronounced just as in English. Now there are some other words which show similar persons in both English and German languages, and those are professions. So professions in German have some words which are similar to the words for the English professions. Now to see that, you will need to study my tutorial 7 part 1 and any other persons that I might not have covered in this part, I will cover in the upcoming tutorials. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 2 of this tutorial. Thank you.